You think academic breakthroughs come from genius minds, but these legends simply faked their data to completely rewrite science. In the 1970s, immunologist William Summerlin claimed he could transplant skin between unrelated animals. To prove his success at the prestigious Sloan Kettering Institute, he used a black marker to draw patches on white mice. A lab assistant later noticed the supposedly transplanted skin could be washed off with alcohol. Japanese archaeologist Shinichi Fujimura was nicknamed God's Hands for his incredible talent for finding ancient artifacts. In 2000, a newspaper published photos of him secretly planting artifacts at a dig site just before his team would discover them. He admitted to faking most of his major finds, forcing a rewrite of Japan's early history books. Diederik Stapel was a respected Dutch social psychologist who published influential studies on human behavior. An investigation in 2011 revealed he had fabricated the data for dozens of his high-profile papers over many years. This massive fraud led to the retraction of over 50 of his widely cited articles. In 2014, Japanese biologist Haruko Obokata became a national icon for discovering a simple way to create stem cells. Her so-called STAP cells were hailed as a Nobel-worthy breakthrough in regenerative medicine. The entire discovery was soon exposed as a fraud based on manipulated images and plagiarized work. Yoshitaka Fujii holds the record for the most retracted scientific papers by a single person. This Japanese anesthesiologist fabricated data in at least 183 different studies published over 2 decades. Investigators found his results were statistically impossible, calling his entire body of work a story of fiction. German physicist Jan Hendrik Schern was on a fast track to a Nobel Prize in the early 2000s. Working at Bell Labs, he published a series of revolutionary papers on molecular electronics. It was later discovered he had falsified his results, even recycling the exact same graph noise for different experiments. Mark Hauser was a prominent Harvard University professor studying animal and human cognition. An internal investigation in 2010 found him guilty on 8 counts of scientific misconduct. He was caught fabricating data, manipulating results, and misrepresenting his methods in primate research. For over 40 years, the Piltdown Man was hailed as the missing link between apes and humans. The fossil, discovered in England in 1912, had a human-like skull and an ape-like jaw. In 1953, scientific testing proved it was a deliberate forgery, combining a medieval human skull with an orangutan jaw. South Korean scientist Woo-suk became a national hero in 2004 when he claimed to have cloned human embryonic stem cells. His work offered immense hope for treating incurable diseases, and he was granted millions in funding. An investigation revealed his groundbreaking research was based on entirely fabricated data. In 1998, British Dr. Andrew Wakefield published a paper in The Lancet linking the MMR vaccine to autism. The study, based on just 12 children, launched the modern anti-vaccine movement that continues to cause disease outbreaks today. It was later revealed he had manipulated the data and had a financial conflict of interest, leading to the loss of his medical license for deliberate fraud. These scandals show how the pressure for prestige can corrupt the search for truth. Let us know in the comments which case of academic dishonesty you found most shocking.